If you're looking for a meaningful Christmas decoration craft, then you're in the right place. Today we're making a nativity using a printable from my Etsy shop. Hi friend, welcome back to Summerhill. Today is day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas DIYs. In today's video, we're making a beautiful nativity garland using a printable from my Etsy shop. So I'll be sure to link that in the description for you. This is the perfect addition to your home decor for the holidays. I'll share some fun ideas on how to add a little sparkle to this adorable printable garland. This simple and easy DIY is great for both kids and adults, and it's a wonderful activity to do while you're reading the story of the birth of Jesus. So let's grab some hot cocoa and let's get started by looking at what supplies you need. I really wanted to create a fun garland that related to the whole purpose of the Christmas season, and that's the birth of Jesus. And so I came up with this idea of all the characters or all the people and animals in the nativity that we're going to put on a garland. But we're going to take this up a notch by adding some diamond dust around them. So this is what you need. You need the printable from my Etsy shop. You need a glue stick. You are going to need some diamond dust, and you will need some scissors. You're going to need some ribbon to string your garland. So let's get started crafting this adorable nativity garland. Start out by cutting out these animals, Mary and Joseph and baby Jesus, all that cute stuff. Diamond dust. And I also wanted to mention that you can cut these out and use them as like a stencil or a template to make other colors. So let's now grab some of the Elmer's glue, and we're going to add it of all the characters. Okay, so we're going to start with the angel, and I'll show you. Just make sure that when you are putting the glue on here, make sure you're covering it evenly everywhere. So give it a nice, good coat of the glue. Make sure you have plenty of diamond dust in a plate. Some spots that aren't covered, it may be that you just need to press it down in there a little bit more. And I have learned that if you miss a spot and you need to put some glue back there, it still works just fine. So like down here, I notice there's a little spot right there, there's a spot right there, and then all I do is pick it back up and put it back into the diamond dust. And it fixed it. And then we just keep going. it up to the light, you can kind of see where you need to put the glue. And as much as possible, keep your fingers off of it because your fingers will actually remove the glue. Whoops. Okay, so we need to figure out how long we want our ribbon to be for the garland. So let's head into my kitchen sitting room because that's where we're gonna hang the nativity. So let's go in. Oh, look here. We may only have this much. So let's see if this works. Yes, it's perfect, yay. Okay, so let's go back and we will string our nativity. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is find the center of this ribbon, and that's where I'm gonna put Jesus. We're gonna plan out where everyone goes first before we tape them all down. So Joseph and Mary are here with Jesus, and we'll put Jesus right about here. We're gonna make him, and then, so I've laid out the basic concept, and I have 2 sheep, so I'm gonna leave this sheep out because I like even numbers, and then the star I'm gonna put above the garland. We need to take some tape with us. He's just not cutting it. I mean, something about him, like when you're off at a distance, you can't see what he is. So I found a better manger. This is so much better and much more recognizable. Let's add him up here and see how he looks. Oh, much better. Let me get you in closer. Okay, love this manger scene, 100% better. It definitely reads that this is a manger. Okay, it's all done. I'm so excited. This has been an idea for so long. So sit back and relax and let's watch a video showing it all complete. Joining me here at Summerhill. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you'll give it a try. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you can join us tomorrow night for another DIY. I hope you're having a wonderful day and a Merry Christmas. Bye!